Hello, this is me again, Daniel, for this 8th video for March 1st, 2023. And right now it's about 12:15 in the around the afternoon, and they're still here since like 7:30. I didn't see this, but they had to close down this block till everything's done. And they're still working hard, just like gold miners or something like that. Gold on them hills. That's my expression. I don't know what they're doing. I think they're pouring something into the street, like hot cement, dark gray cement, or maybe black cement. Who knows? It's just like working in the sewer. March is a we'll see month. If it's going to be colder, if it's going to be warm, that's all in betweens. It's wonderful to live in Pennsylvania. Well, that's your little update. Number 8, just for today, and I'll see you later for more updates. You just take care and enjoy these other videos. Bye.